As the holiday season approaches, car owners should consider purchasing new car parts from their local car dealerships. This is particularly true for those who are looking to upgrade or repair their cars. Purchasing car parts from car dealerships is a great way to get high-quality parts with unbeatable warranties. Shopping at dealerships also offers a variety of benefits during the Christmas season, with special offers and deals that are not available anywhere else. From discounts to free installations, car dealerships have it all. With so many advantages to purchasing car parts from dealerships, Christmas is the perfect time to upgrade or repair your car. Advantages of purchasing parts in car dealerships. When it comes to purchasing car parts, car dealerships are the go-to source. Car dealerships offer an extensive range of parts, from engines and oil to headlights and brakes, allowing customers to find the parts they need. What's more, these parts are of high quality and are backed up by the dealership's warranties. Shopping at a car dealership is the best way to ensure you get reliable and durable parts for your car. Moreover, car dealerships are a great option for customers looking to get the most out of their money. With special offers and deals during the Christmas season, customers can save money on purchases and get great value for their money. Benefits of purchasing parts this Christmas. For those looking for car parts this Christmas season, car dealerships are the perfect place to shop. During this festive season, car dealerships offer special offers and discounts on parts, making it a great time to buy parts for your car. Customers can save a lot of money on parts and can benefit from purchasing quality parts from reliable car dealerships. Customers who plan to upgrade or repair their cars in the future can also benefit from buying parts during this season, as prices are likely to be lower than usual. Additionally, car dealerships keep warranties on the parts they sell, ensuring that customers have peace of mind when making a purchase. Popular parts for Christmas. The Christmas season is a great time to purchase car parts, as car dealerships often have special offers and discounts. Popular parts that are often bought during this season include brakes, tires, radiators, battery, and spark plugs. Some of these parts are popular because they are needed for winter driving, while others are popular because they are being sold at a discounted rate. In addition to the parts mentioned above, Christmas is also a popular time to purchase luxury parts, such as performance upgrades and new sound systems, as these items tend to be sold at a discounted rate. Customers should be aware that certain parts are only suitable for certain cars, so it is important to make sure the part purchased fits the make and model of their vehicle. Preparing for Christmas shopping. It's important to do research and compare prices before purchasing parts from car dealerships during the Christmas season. Customers should take the time to compare the prices of parts from different dealerships and make sure that the parts they purchase are compatible with their cars. Additionally, customers can look for special offers and discounts that appear during the holidays, as many dealerships offer these to attract customers. Taking the time to read up on the parts and compare prices can help customers save money and find the best parts for their needs. Conclusion. It's the perfect time of year to purchase parts for your car from your local car dealership. With special offers and deals, customers can save money on high-quality parts and find the perfect replacement for their vehicle. Additionally, by researching and comparing prices, customers can make sure they're getting the best deal on the parts they need. This Christmas season, explore the deals available at your local car dealership and be sure to take advantage of the offers available.